The sun just went down not too long ago. We already have a fire going. Amazing. We're actually on time. There's Brad. He's chilling. Sarah. Hi. I can't see you very well, I don't think. But Sarah's chopping up food.
Hello.
Thanks, Sarah.
Hello.
Hey, Sam. Oh man, we have so much good food. In this video, you're not actually going to be able to see like anything. Yeah, our voices. We're roasting s'mores. Can you see my marshmallow? Hello.
This is so tasty.
Oh look, there it is. There it is. Hello. Like you can kind of see the lights over there. Like that's land.
At a certain point, people are just calling for like where are people supposed to go? You know what I mean? Like in order to let nature grow itself back, we would have to like kill off ourselves, pretty much. And that can't really practically be done. So.
Do you think Shishak would see? My whole thing is we need to use
Technology?
no, or we need to decentralize our technology and exploit our resources sustainably.
True.
Like, instead of like mining stuff and getting our energy from very specific places and keeping it centralized, you get your energy from little places that can regenerate themselves, and you have smaller human communities.